Stephanie, and today we're going to talk about glitter screen printed transfers from Transfer Express. Glitter screen printed transfers gives you that extra sparkle on a design print on your t-shirts that is just unlike any other. Screen printed transfers with the glitter are printed using a plastisol ink with specks of glitter in the ink. Glitter transfers are great for fashion wear, cheer, dance, and gymnastics teams. Glitter transfers come in a wide range of colors, like onyx, red, orange, green, navy, silver, pink, gold, blue, and purple. Look at all that you can do with glitter transfers. You can decorate apparel items like t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. Let's talk about 5 tips when using glitter transfers. First, use a bold design to make the glitter stand out. Stay away from fine detail with this type of transfer. Raise your print area up for a flat, even surface. Make sure your print area is flat above any seams, buttons, or things like zippers. If you do need to raise your print area up, use a mouse pad or a Print Perfect pad. Next, use a paper cover sheet that's provided with your order when applying these transfers. This paper cover sheet will reduce static, allowing the transfer to cool completely before peeling. And lastly, peel this transfer in a quick, even motion diagonally across the shirt. Now, let's apply one. Polyester or cotton poly blend fabrics. Have your heat press set at 350 degrees for 15 seconds on a medium to firm pressure. You can grab your transfer and cut the gang sheet apart and to use just the design that you need. Glitter transfers are printed on an 11 1/4 by 14-inch gang sheet. The first thing to do is pre-press your fabric for a few seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles. Next, grab your glitter screen printed transfer and with the ink side facing down, align it on your shirt. Apply for 15 seconds at the medium to firm pressure, which is a 6 to an 8 on a Hotronix heat press. Next, the glitter transfer is a cold peel, so we're going to want to move this off of the platen. Once the transfer is completely cold to the touch, you're going to want to peel off this transfer paper in a quick, even motion diagonally across the shirt. If you want more information about glitter screen printed transfers, to request a sample and receive a quote, visit our website at transferexpress.com. If you like this video, click the subscribe button below and join us next time as we talk about transfers. Happy pressing! Glitter transfers come in a wide range of colors. And I'm not holding the color selector. Transfers come in a wide range of colors. What to do is pre-press your fabric for a few seconds, not 15. If you like this video, I was about to say button. If you like this button,